Hi children, today you are going to learn 10th class 5th chapter, that is quadratic equations, in that exercise number 5.3. So before going to this exercise, in the exercise number 1 we have learned that how to form a quadratic equations. In exercise number 2 we have learned that how to find the roots of quadratic equation in factorization method. Then here in the exercise number 3, we are going to learn two more methods to solve the quadratic equations. In the 5.2, we have learned only one method, that is factorization method, nothing but splitting middle term method. Now, here in the exercise number 3, we are going to learn two more methods. They are completing square method and quadratic formula method. So, let us learn this quadratic equations. Quadratic equation can be solved in the three methods. The first one is factorization method. The second method is completing square method. Completing square method. This also we have to learn. The third method is quadratic formula method. Quadratic formula method. Here we get the formula of quadratic formula. Here we get quadratic formula method. The quadratic formula is here x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is ABC here? The ABCs we got from the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a we write here. Suppose if it is 5x square plus 3x, 5x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Then here a value will be 5, here we substitute 5. B value is 4, here we substitute the 4 wherever the b presents. And c value will be 3, wherever the c presents we substitute the 3. That ABC values will get the from standard form of the quadratic equation. In the completing square method, either the given equation will be changing either a plus b whole square method form or a minus b whole square form, where a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a minus b equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So ఇచ్చిన క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని a plus b whole square ఫార్మ్ లేదా a minus b whole square ఫార్మ్ లో చేంజ్ చేస్తాం అకార్డింగ్ టు ద ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ప్రకారం. తర్వాత ఆ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూస్ని ఏదైతే ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంటుందో దానిలో నుంచి ఎక్స్ వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములాలో సింపుల్ ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్తాడు. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్తే అందులో ఏ వాల్యూ బి వాల్యూ సి వాల్యూస్ రాసేసుకొని అవి ఈ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది, ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, డైరెక్ట్గా ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇన్ దిస్ ఆల్ దీస్ త్రీ మెథడ్స్ quadratic formula method is very easiest method, and if you feel factorization method is easy, you can go for the factorization method. Or not, if completing square method if you feel as easy, you can go for the completing square method. You go for any kind of a method, you get a same answer always. మీకు సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఈ మూడు మెథడ్లో ఏ మెథడ్ అప్లై చేసినా క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ పైన మనకు సేమ్ రూట్స్ వస్తాయి. ద రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ విల్ బి సేమ్ ఇన్ దీస్ త్రీ మెథడ్స్. ఆల్రెడీ we have learned about the factorization method in the exercise number 5.2. So about these methods we will learn in this exercise number 5.3. So without wasting a time, let us learn that how to solve a quadratic equation in completing square method and how to solve the quadratic equation in quadratic formula method. Okay, and let us enter into the 5.3 and we'll solve. There are 4 problems in the first bit. See that if question is missing, first bit question, if it is it is missing in your textbook you have to write completely. That question name I will read. First question name. See that. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing square. అక్కడ మిస్ అవుతుంది రాయండి, మీరు బిట్ నేమ్ రాసుకోవాలి. బై ద మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ అని మిస్ అయి ఉంటుంది అక్కడ, అది రాసుకోండి. అంటే ఈ ఫస్ట్ బిట్లో ఇచ్చినటువంటి 4 క్వశ్చన్లు కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ మెథడ్లో సాల్వ్ చేయాలి అని అర్థం. సో కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ మెథడ్ ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలో నేను చెప్తాను, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. సో 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ. సో దిస్ if I explain 4 questions, you will get a complete idea about completing square method. You will get an idea about completing square method. The first question is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So what we have to do it? Simple. The first thing you have to do it, see that here x square coefficient should be 1. X square coefficient 1 ఉండేలా చూసుకోండి first. So here 2 ఉంది. So let us divide by 2 to the both the sides. Let us divide by 2 on both sides. ఎందుకు 2 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తాం? ఇక్కడ 2x స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, సో 2 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. 4x స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. సో 2x స్క్వేర్ by 2 plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 equal to 0 by 2. అన్నిటికీ 2 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. This 2 and 2 get cancelled. See, x square plus x by 2 minus, it is 4 by 2, no, 2 ones are 2 2s are, it become a minus 2, that equal to 0 by 2 value is 0. Now this step is important. Always you have to transfer the constant term. Constant term ఏంటిలో మైనస్ 2 దాన్ని పంపించాలి. ఏ కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ ఉన్నా సరే we have to transfer to the right side, and we have to keep only variables to the left side. Only variable terms we have to keep it in left side, and constant term we have to transfer to the right side. So x square plus here x by 2 is equal to minus 2 become plus 2. Now what we have to do it, see. Now it is the form of a square. See, a plus b whole square, no? A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So it is in the form of a square like x whole square, a square plus 2ab కావాలి. So you write 2 here, here into 2 అని రాస్తున్నాను. You multiply by 2. So the same thing you write here, x by 2. ఇక్కడ into 2 అని ఎక్కువ రాసినాం కదా, so we'll divide by 2, 1 by 2. We'll divide by 1 by 2. అంటే 2 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం, 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ, ఇదే 2 తో డివైడ్ చేద్దాం. So if you cancel this 2 and this 2, we get the same x by 2. So always you have to do 2, multiply the 2 here, divide the 2 here, multiply the 2, divide the 2, because we'll get 2ab form. 2 into a into we get b form like equal to 2. So nothing I have done. The x by 2 I have written like this. This 2 and this 2 you cancel, you get x by 2 again same. Now what happens? Let me go for that. This is x square. ఇది a square అన్నమాట. a అంటే x ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 2 into a రావాలి కదా, a అంటే ఏంటి x. So we write x here into this 2 into 2 4, we write here 4. 2 to the 4. Now it is in the form of, it is a square plus 2a, a is nothing but a x. It is a b, 2ab. Now b value we got it. B value we got it 1 by 4. That equal to 2. This 2 into 2 I have got 4. See what is the b value got? 1 by 4. A square plus 2a, b is nothing but 1 by 4. So let us add 1 by 4. b square plus b square కావాలి కదా మనకు. a square plus 2ab వచ్చింది ప్లస్ b square కావాలి. సో let us add b square. Not only LHS side, ఒకటే సైడ్ యాడ్ చేస్తే కుదరదు కదా, on both side we have to add. Let us add 1 by 4 whole square on both sides. Now see that this is x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Have you understood here how we are doing it? Yes. Now I added 1 by 4 b square on both the sides to make in the form of completely a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So now it is in the form of like a square plus 2ab plus b square. The formula will be from the algebraic identities, that is a plus b whole square, where a equal to x and b equal to 1 by 4. Now let us solve this. A plus b nothing but x plus 1 by 4 whole square. A plus b whole square formula రాశాను, completing square method రాశాను. That equal to 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 4 whole square. 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16. This 2 right we write as a 2 by 1. So what happens? X plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to, this you take a cross multiplication, 1 into 16 is 16. 16 2s are 32 plus 1 1s are 1. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to 32 plus 1 33 by 16. Square root transfer the other side, then that become a square root. But only square root of the, no. We don't know either it is plus or minus square root of 33 by 16. If square root transfer, that become a plus or minus of square root. So here x plus 1 by 4 equal to plus or minus, this root will be for both root 33 by root 60. Yes. Now x plus 1 by 4 equal to plus or minus root 33 by root 16 value will be 4. Root 16 equal to, we know that is the perfect square root, that is 4. Now this plus 1 by 4 we transfer this side. So x equal to minus 1 by 4 plus or minus under root of root 33 by 4. Plus or minus అనేది మధ్యలో ఉంచుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. So now these both are like fractions, 4 and 4. Let us write the like fractions, denominator same. Write the numerator same now, 1 minus plus or minus under root of 33. Now you got a x value, that is x equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 33 by 4. That means what is the meaning of this? See, x equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 or x equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. అంటే ఒకసారి ప్లస్ రూట్ 33 by 4, ఒకసారి మైనస్ రూట్ 33 by 4. By solving this in the completing square method, we got a x value, that is minus 1 plus or minus root 33 by 4. ఒకసారి ప్లస్ సైడ్, ఒకసారి మైనస్ సైడ్. So you remember this. This is the final answer now. You remember this answer. Why? I will tell you. Because the same problem we are going to be do it in quadratic formula method. Quadratic formula method. In the second bit it is. In second bit we will do it the same problems in the quadratic formula method. Quadratic formula methods, all problems we will do it next time. First completing square method పైన మీకు ఐడియా రావాలి కదా. సో అన్ని కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ మెథడ్ 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇక్కడ చేసేద్దాం. మీకు అప్పుడు కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ మెథడ్ అంటే వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, దెన్ విల్ సాల్వ్ ఇట్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ మీరు చేసి చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఈ మెథడ్ కొద్దిగా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది కానీ ఈజీ, బట్ కంపేరింగ్ 2 మెథడ్స్ ఇది కొద్దిగా డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉంటుంది. ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్ కన్నా క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములా మెథడ్ కన్నా ఇది కొద్దిగా డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉంటుంది. సో దే మే గివ్ 4 మార్క్స్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్. కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ మెథడ్లో సాల్వ్ చేయమని 4 మార్క్స్ కూడా మీకు యాన్యువల్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. సో ఒక్కసారి జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి సరిపోతుంది. ఇందులో అంత పెద్ద బ్రహ్మ విద్య ఏం లేదు. సో మనం స్లోగా నేర్చుకుంటే చాలా ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్ కొట్టవచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ టైం చెప్పాను x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ షుడ్ బి 1. సో లెట్ us divide by 4 on the both the sides. Let us divide by 4 on both sides. Yes, here 4x square by 4 plus 4 root 3 by 4 into x plus 3 by 4 equal to 0 by 4. Here 4 and 4, here 4 and 4 get cancelled here. X square plus root 3 into x, root 3x plus 3 by 4 equal to 0 by 4 will be 0. Then what I told, variables you keep them one side and constant terms you transfer the RHS side. Constant term में advan पीछे अब ये बोलो x square plus root 3 into x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. So is it question plus 3? Yes. Now see, now it is in the form of, now it is a square form. So a square plus 2 into root 3 into x by 2. ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ 2 చేశానంటే ఇక్కడ బై 2 రాశాను. రూట్ 3x అని రైట్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఇస్. ఫస్ట్ ఇస్ ది రూట్ 3 into x. ద సేమ్ థింగ్ ఐ హావ్ రిటన్ హియర్. సో ఇంటూ 2 by 2. ఇక్కడ x సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. అంటే a స్క్వేర్ ఇది a వాల్యూ అన్నమాట. దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 3 by 4. Now see, this is in the form of like a square plus 2 into a into b. అలా రాస్తాం చూడండి. a square nothing but x square plus 2 into a is nothing but x, no, we write the x here. ఈ x ఇక్కడ రాస్తాం. Plus b nothing but root 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now is it in the form of this a square plus 2ab, a square plus 2 into ax, b value is root 3 by 2. This root 3 by 2 we have to add on the both side, because to make a complete this square, this square formula added. Now we have a square plus 2ab. If you add plus b square, now we can write this is as a plus b whole square form. In that way, so let us add root 3 by 2 whole square on both sides. What we get here? X whole square plus 2 into x into root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to minus 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Now is it in the form of, it is in the form of a square plus 2 into a into b, 2ab plus b square. So let us write in the form of a plus b whole square. Where a equal to what, children? Here x and b equal to root 3 by 2. Compare a value b value. So let us write. Then a plus b whole square, that means x plus root 3 by 2 whole square. A plus b whole square. Here this side we have to solve. Minus 3 by 4 plus root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square and demo. Root 3 whole square. That is nothing but square and square will get cancelled. We get 3 by 2 square value is 4. That square is for both. Root 3 whole square, no. Square and square root cancel. So 3 will come. This square for numerator and denominator. This square అనేది numerator को denominator को ఉంటుంది. Root 3 whole square by 2 square. Root 3 whole square is 3. 2 square value is 4. Now if you see this side, it become a like fraction. Let us solve the RHS side once. So x plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to, here you get 4. 4 3s are minus 3 is minus 12 plus 4 3s are plus 12. Everything 4 we took it. Okay, sorry. Here we have to do the cross multiplication. No? Or not to take a LCM like fractions. So write the same denominator. Here minus 3, here plus 3. Both cancelled. So we get x plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. 0 by 4. 0 by 4 value is same. We know already 0 by 4 value will be 0. The square root transfer, that become a square root. So x plus root 3 by 2 equal to plus or minus under root of 0. Plus or minus under root of 0 అంటే 0 నే కదా. So x plus root 3 by 2 equal to 0. This plus root 3 by 2 you transfer this side, x equal to minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Answer ante x equal to minus root 3 by 2. So that's you need to remember. The same problem we are going to be solving quadratic formula method also. అది quadratic formula method లో కూడా same problem ని solve చేద్దాం. Okay, then we go for next third question. The question number 3. Yes, 5x square minus 7x minus 6. 5x square minus 7x minus 6. 5x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. Let us divide by 5 on all the sides. So, both the sides. Let us divide by 5 on both sides. So what we get? చూడండి x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 5 ఉంది. సో 5 తో డివైడ్ చేద్దాం అన్నిటికి. minus 7 by 5 into x minus 6 by 5 equal to 0 by 5. ఈ 5 cancel. So x square minus 7 by 5 into x minus 6 by 5 equal to 0. Now what we have to do? This minus 6 by 5 we have to transfer. Constant term transfer. X square minus 7 by 5 into x equal to 6 by 5. Now this we have to make it in the form of a square. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంటే a minus b whole square. ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ టర్మ్ చూడండి, x టర్మ్ అనేది మైనస్ ఉందా ప్లస్ ఉందా? ఇంతకు ముందు రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో కూడా ప్లస్ ఉంది. సో a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2ab ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్, a ప్లస్ b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వచ్చింది. సో a minus b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది చూడండి, 2ab ఈ ఫామ్ లో రాయాలి. సో x హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఇక్కడ అడిషనల్ గా 2 లేదు. సి వాట్ ఆర్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ 7 by 5 into x. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ వి హావ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఇదే కదా మనకు ఉంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, ఇంటూ 2 డివైడెడ్ బై 2. ఈ 2 ఇంటూ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతే మనకు 7 by 2 x వస్తుంది. అంటే ఇంటూ 2 డివైడ్ బై 2 చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, 2ab ఫామ్ రావాలి. 2 into a into b లైక్ దట్. సో దట్ బికమ్ 6 by 5. ఇప్పుడు చేసేది జాగ్రత్త చూడండి, x హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ ఇక్కడ a అంటే ఏమనుకున్నాం x అను. yes x హోల్ స్క్వేర్ నథింగ్ బట్ a స్క్వేర్. a ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ x ను. here also we write only x. ఇక్కడ ఈ 2 ఉంది మర్చిపోకండి. సో b is nothing but 7. this 5 into 2 it is a 10. 5 2 is a 10. 5 2 is a 10. So now it is in the form of a square nothing but x square minus 2 a nothing but x. b value is 7 by 10. How you got a 7 by 10? We have a 7 by 5, but this 2 5 2 is a 10 equal to 6 by 5. Let us add. We have to add b square. So then only we get a minus b whole square. So let us add b square on both the sides. Let us add b square at 7 by 10 whole square on both sides. Then we get x square minus 2 into x into 7 by 10 plus 7 by 10 whole square equal to 6 by 5 plus 7 by 10 whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that equal to a minus b whole square, where a equal to what, x, b equal to 7 by 10. a value b value వచ్చింది, a minus b whole square చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ. సో x minus 7 by 10 whole square, a minus b whole square, that equal to ఇక్కడ ఏముంది చూడండి 6 by 5. సో here it is a 6 by 5 plus 7 square by 10 square. 7 square by 10 square, the 7 square is 49 by 10 square is 100. Okay, now here x minus 7 by 10 whole square, that equal to, you do the cross multiplication here, we get cross multiplication. By the cross multiplication we get here 5 into 100, that is 500. 100 into 6, that is 600 plus 5 into 49, 5 nines are 45, 4 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24, that is 245. Slowly you do it, x minus 7 by 5 whole square equal to, ఇక్కడ స్లోగా సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేయండి 500. 600 plus 20, 45. 600 plus 45, that is 600 plus 245, that is 845. 845. అది మనం క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చు కదా, చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. ఓకే, ఇన్ 5 టేబుల్ 5 1s are 5, 100. In 5 1s are 5, 3 left, that is 34. Yes, 5 6 are 30, 4 left, 45, that is 169. Yes, x minus 7 by 5 whole square equal to 169 by 100. You square root transfer this side, that become a square root. So x minus 7 by 5 equal to plus or minus square ఎప్పుడైతే ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తామో అది ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అవుతుంది. ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్, దట్ ఈస్ 169 by 100. అంటే ఇదేమవుతుందన్నమాట, దీనికి ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 169 by అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 100 అని అంటారు. దీని ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ square root of 169 by 100, nothing but the square for 169 and the same square for 100. So we write here x minus 7 by 5 equal to plus or minus under root of 169 value is 30 by under root of 100 value is 10. This minus 7 by 5 you transfer the other side, that will be plus 7 by 5. X equal to 7 by 5 you write first, then plus or minus 30 by 10. 30 by 10. So here you take a LCM again. X equal to the LCM you get 10. 5 2s are 10. So 2 into 7, that is 14. Plus or minus 10 1s are 10. 1 into 30 is 30. So now it means that x equal to 14 plus 13 by 10, and that same x equal to 14 minus 13 by 10. One's plus, the other terms is minus. So x equal to, that is 27 by 10. Here x equal to 14 minus 13 is 1 by 10. Therefore x equal to 27 by 10 or 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. This is the problem solving of the third one in the completing square method. In completing square method, I hope you understood this clearly. Now the last one of this bit number 1 in the same completing square method only. In the same completing square method we are going to solve the one more problem. Completing square method and quadratic formula method. ఈ రెండు మెథడ్స్ ని జాగ్రత్తగా నేర్చుకోవాలి. The fourth one, okay, that x square plus 5 equal to minus 6x. x square plus 5 equal to minus 6x. కానీ ఏం చేయాలి, మనం కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ పంపించాలి, వేరియబుల్స్ టర్మ్ తీసుకుంచుకోవాలి. x స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ ఆల్వేస్ 1 ఉంది, కోఎఫిషియంట్ x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉంది. ఓకే, ఈ minus 6x into 5 ని పంపించండి. సో x square plus 6x equal to minus 5 plus 5 become a minus 5. Now we have done this. Now what we have to do it? Now see that we have to write this in the form of like a square is a plus 2 into, see you write only 6x, you got the doubt unte 6 into x. Okay, then we can write this into 2 and divided by 2, into 2 and divided by 2. So this 2 get cancelled, we get again 6x only, that equal to minus 5. See now what we get here, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So x square plus 2 into this x will write here and this 3 will write here, that equal to minus 5. Now it is in the form of like a square plus 2 into a into b. మనం ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి కదా, అంటే b ప్లస్ లో ఏముంది 3 ఉంది. సో let us add 3 square on both sides. So x whole square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square equal to minus 5 plus 3 square. Now it is in the form of a plus b, sorry, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square, where a equal to x and b equal to 3. Now a plus b whole square is the same, x plus 3 whole square equal to here minus 5 plus 3 square value is 9. x plus 3 whole square equal to minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, this square we transfer the other side, that becomes a square root now. So we get x plus 3 equal to plus or minus under root of 4. So x plus 3 equal to plus or minus root 4 value is 2. This plus 3 we transfer this side, so that equal to minus 3 plus or minus 2. That means x equal to minus 3 plus 2 and x equal to minus 3 minus 2. So x equal to minus 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, x equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. So therefore x equal to minus 1 or minus 5. So you got the values. You remember all these 4 problems answers, because all these 4 answers we are going to be solved in the quadratic formula method now. ఈ 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా మనం కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ మెథడ్లో చేసాం. వీటిని క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములా మెథడ్లో చేద్దాం. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములా ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ వాట్, x ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ b ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ b స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac by 2a. Now I am going to rub this the same. We are going to be solve these all problems in the quadratic formula method. Okay. Then we go for the second bit and the first one. What is second bit actually? Let us see the question once so that you can understand. Find the roots of the quadratic equation given in Q1, nothing but a question number 1, by the applying quadratic formula. By applying quadratic formula అంటే బిట్ నెంబర్ 1 లో ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నిటికీ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములా మెథడ్ లో రూట్స్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో లెట్ us find out first. That is, the first one is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Yes, here this we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to what? 2. B equal to what? Nothing but 1x is nothing but x is nothing but 1x. It is plus x, no? Nothing but 1x. 1. C equal to what? 4? No. Minus 4. It is a minus 4. So we got this. Now we have a quadratic formula, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. ABC values ను సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి సరిపోతుంది. x equal to minus b value is 1 plus or minus under root of b square, nothing but 1 square minus 4 into a value is what? 2 into c value is that minus 4. చూడండి జాగ్రత్త వాల్యూస్ ను సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. 2 into a value is 2. Simple. X equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 square value is 1. Minus into minus plus 4 4 is 16. 16 2 is 32 by 2 2 is 4. So x equal to minus 1 plus or minus 32 plus 1 33 by 4. అయిపోయింది కదా. Therefore that means x equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 or minus 1 root 33 by 4. అయిపోయింది. చాలా సింపుల్. కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ మెథడ్ కన్నా ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా అవుతాయి. చూడండి సెకండ్ వన్ సొల్యూషన్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ హియర్? 4x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Let us compare with ax square. The standard form of quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 4, b equal to 4 root 3, c equal to 3. Let us substitute in the quadratic formula, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2 into a 2a. So x equal to minus b value is 4 root 3 plus or minus under root of b square, that is 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a, that is 4, c, that is 3 by 2 into a value is 4 x equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus, okay, here to do the careful, the square for both 4 and root 3. 4 square is 16 into root 3 whole square. Square cancel होते हैं मतलब 3 में होता. So minus 4 4 is 16. 16 is 48 by 2 4 is 8. X equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus under root of, here 63 is 48. 48 minus 48 by 8. See that now here I will do it. You do the down. Minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 48 minus 48 plus 48 minus 48 will cancel. Under root of 0 value will be 0 by 8. That means what it will give us? Minus 4 root 3 by 0 will not be value. So by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So therefore x equal to minus root 3 by 2. X equal to minus root 3 by 2. I hope you understood this clearly. See how easy it is. Completing square method కన్నా 100% ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. సింపుల్. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములా మెథడ్ రాసేయాలి, వాల్యూస్ ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి, అంతే. ఫార్ములా రాసి వాల్యూస్ ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేస్తే మీకు ఆన్సర్ సేమ్ వస్తుంది. See that in the first bit in the completing square method, whatever the answers we got, the same answers we are getting here. The same answers we got here. ఏమైనా వేరే వచ్చినాయా? No, we get the same answers only. So here we need to be understand one more thing. In the completing square method and in this quadratic formula method, we get the same answer. Not only in these two methods, by the factorization method also we get a same solution. అంటే quadratic equation ని మనం 3 parts లో చేయొచ్చు. In 3 methods we can do it. In all these 3 methods, the factorization method, completing square method, quadratic formula method. In these 3 methods we get a same answers always. So see that here the third question, let us compare this third question with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A value will be 5, b value is minus 7, c value equal to minus 6. Let us substitute in this quadratic formula. X equal to minus half minus b, so minus here b value is minus 7. రెండు సార్లు మైనస్ వచ్చింది గుర్తుంచుకోండి. ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఫార్ములాలో ఉన్న సింబల్స్ ఫస్ట్ రాయాలి. b వాల్యూ దట్ ఈస్ minus 7 whole square. Minus of 4 into a value that is 5. C value is minus 6 by 2 into a value is 5. So x equal to minus into minus plus, so plus 7 plus or minus under root of minus 7 whole square. Minus 7 into minus 7 that is plus 49. 7 square is 49 and minus into minus plus 2 5s are 4 5s are 20. 20 into 6 that is 120. 120 by 2 5s are 10. So see here x equal to 7 plus or minus under root of 120 plus 49 that is 169 by 10. So here 169 value, see 7 plus or minus 169 value is 13 square is 169, so by 10. So here the x value in the sense x equal to 7 plus 13 by 10. Here x equal to 7 minus 13 by 10. So x equal to here 7 plus 13 20 by 10. Here x equal to 7 minus 8 by 10. Sorry, minus 6 by 10. So here 10 ones are 10 twos are. X equal to 2 or x equal to 2 3s are 2 5s are minus 3 by 5. So therefore x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 3 by 5. Same as the same. Idan manam first quadratic equation formula. This minus 6x you bring this side. X square minus 6x become plus 6x minus plus 5 equal to 0. ये 5 इटे उनसा. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A value is what here? A equal to 1, b equal to 6, c equal to 5. Let us substitute in this. So x equal to minus 6 plus or minus under root of b square that is 6 square minus 4 into a value that is 1, c value it is a 5 by 2 into 1. So x equal to minus 6 plus or minus under root of 6 square, that is 36, minus 4 ones are 4, 4 into 5 20 by 2 ones are 2. X equal to minus 6 plus or minus under root of 36 minus 20 is 16 by 2. So x equal to minus 6 plus or minus root 16 value is 4 by 2. That means here x equal to 1 place you have to take minus, x equal to minus 6 place 4 by 2. That same x equal to minus 6, 1 minus 4 by 2. So x equal to here 4 minus 6 is minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 is nothing but a minus 1. Here x equal to minus 4, minus 6 minus 4, that's minus 10 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 5s are, here 2 get cancelled. So x equal to minus 5. Therefore x equal to minus 1 or minus 5. Yes, minus 1 or minus 5. I hope you understood this clearly. Yes, I hope you have understood clearly, that is how to solve the problems. Then here I hope this is enough. This is enough actually for this study, for this video actually. Minus 1 and minus. I hope you understood this clearly. In this video we have learned how to solve the quadratic equations in completing square method and quadratic formula method. These two methods you practice properly. The remaining questions will be discussed in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.